Welcome to the Chef Sisters! I'm Nicole.
And I'm Olivia.
And today we are going to be making frozen yogurt. You need 400 milliliters of whipping cream, 300 milliliters of condensed milk, 200 milliliters of natural yogurt, and 1 box of strawberry. The strawberries that we are using, they are washed, dry, and they are cut. So, first, you need to put your whipping cream in the blender. I'm gonna use the spatula to take every little bit out.
About here.
There.
Why is it about?
Now, we're putting my favorite ingredient, the condensed milk. I'm gonna do it with my left hand because my right hand is going to do the spatula. We need the spatula especially for the condensed milk because it's a little bit sticky. Because it's sticky. Okay, wait. Now, Olivia is going to put the natural yogurt. I love condensed milk. There we go. And now, she's going to put the strawberries. Nope. Be careful to not make it splash. Ah! Frozen yogurt made out of strawberries. It's going to turn pink.
This is yours full.
No, that's it. She's gonna put the rest.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Because I will lick the condensed milk. Okay, then we are going to crush it and not on crushed ice, that would be too bad. Because until it's like the strawberries are completely crushed. So. Now, we are going to put the frozen yogurt in these containers, which are popsicle containers.
It is yogurt.
Oh, oops.
Oh my gosh. like it?
Uh-huh. It's good. There. Now, we are going to put the lids on.
Can I put?
Go. Press. Press. Press.
Wow, that was.
Okay, now we are going to put it in the freezer for 4 hours. See you in 4 hours. So, this is the final product. You can also put it in little containers so you can store them. And these are the popsicles. So, I'll take one.
Can I take one for me?
Yeah.
Get to it. Can I please help you? Is this one? No, it's this one. This one.
It's very good. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Till next time, bye!